This is a CountryBoyModz production.
Y'all, welcome back. You know what time it is. We already got the Durango up on the thing, up on the ramps. Man, got a victim. But yeah, so 150K mile oil change for the Durango. Engine bay still looking good. So yeah, with all that being said, we're gonna get all this situated here. All right, we got that there. I need to clean under the engine bay. It's real dirty up under here. But we're gonna go ahead and change this oil and stuff and do a little bit of maintenance. Get up under this thing. I'll do a little quick time lapse. I'm also do some fixing on the X pipe up under. I know it's been a while since I did a video, but life been lifing. Got bills to pay. I've been working a lot. I'm finally getting a chance to actually come out here and do another video. So I hope this video does y'all well. Sit back and enjoy the rest of the video. And thank y'all for watching. Got everything situated up on here. It's another project for another day. Let me put this back on here before I forget. So I did end up taking that piece out right there. I've been doing a little testing with it. This make the intake louder. Ain't got about no cold air intake or nothing. It's gonna capture the air coming from either way, from the top or down here. So it'll come through these little vents over here. The rain about to get me, so I gotta get ready to cut this project down. And then down at the bottom you'll get air also. For some reason hit me like a little bit of hot air. Who knows? I don't know. I'm just playing around with it. But yeah. I did notice like over here on the passenger side that I may have either a heat shield rattle or I may have a loose bolt on one of the headers. I do, like when I hit the gas, I do smell exhaust coming in the cabinet. So might have a little small leak up here somewhere. But other than that, I mean, overall the Durango been pretty good. I need to wash it. I need to get all this done. That's, like I said, it's a whole task. Everything pretty much buttoned up top to put the engine cover back on. I'm still gonna be investigating that P0128 error code. I gotta go in here and clear that out and get these on that mount real quick. I just like it with this is just my personal preference. I like the cover like this. Go ahead and start her up real quick and check for leak. oil change. Now I'm back up under here. One thing I forgot to do was add the flex pipe like up here into that X pipe. Don't melt them and stuff. It ain't the best, but it's sealed inside of there, so that's all that matters. Backside sealed in as well. It's too damn hot. It's so hot out here, bro. I swear. So I'm gonna add this. It's gonna be the 5 inch. This is 2 1/4, but it's gonna be a 5 inch, 2 1/2. Going in the back part back there to help seal it off a little bit better. I know I gas leak. I ain't worried about it. It's a DIY. It sounds good coming out the back. That's all that matters. So let's get to it. Try to get this off real quick.